Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 9:45 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds and waterspouts were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Wilmette Harbor to near O'Hare Airport to near Joliet, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. The following